Ka Kanhuan Anti-Narcotics Task Force ANTF ka East Khasi Hills hakashitarik nailor, kala yoban kemno ya way unong kahidrok ubakerteng usadik Ahmad arpunyos namerta, bat yoban kurup hadu safu arpoin gram u heroin. Hadian bala yo ekajintip ke batikna hakabaya day bat way usuba nong kahidrok, ka Kanhuan ANTF kala pelong kajinglik kenra hapo kawe kayeng, bala syong wai da usadik Ahmed bat ka arti dorji arpu pras namerta hapo Nepali compound Rilbong hakapor shipho baje menmien. Hadian ka jingkan ra ki dekat ke ANTF kila yoban kurup no iki sautali ki sinduk sabon hakabala tap iki subadrong bat hadian bala tes haka jingadon lang ki sakhi la syamba udai u heroin upadan ka jingkia ka bahadu sapu gram. Halor ka ni ka jingyo kurup ki pulit la register case persya iu hapo ka kendon ka NDPS Act. Baru kini ki arngot ki blasyak kendo don kti ki la syak kemno na ka benta ban pelong ya ka jing tokin.
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.